Paano ko kuno ma-promote ang miagaw? Hay, gapanagod man lang ko kababoy kag taga-uma. Ah, kung sa foreign tourist, I can speak English very very well. Wara ta kan ti drone. Bratohon lang man akan cellphone. Pero kung may viewers ako from US, Europe, or some part of Asia, I am inviting you all to visit our beloved town Miagao, where history meets culture and nature meets adventure. And I'm proud to say that we have so many eggplants here and onions and plenty of bananas. Wow! And we plant piñas. We have buklod. We have bubon, the source of our drinking water. We also have beautiful sunrise and majestic sunset. And most of all, we have the sweetest aratiles. Pero seryoso nga istorya, ang amon banwa, hindi lang progresibo kag matahom. Lagaw ka mo dyan sa miagaw. Hay ipabatsyag ginamon kaninyo kung ano ka hospitable kag kawarm kang mga miag-awanen.